Today I'll be showing you how to draw some end of summer illustrations. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Everything I'm using will be listed in the description below. For this section, I'll be drawing with a mechanical pencil. I'm drawing an oval shape, and from that I'm drawing some lines at an angle going down, and then joining it at the bottom with a curved line. For the handle, I'm drawing these round curved lines, and they're like a backwards C shape. Also adding another line in the lid, and then adding another handle at the top by drawing a line going up and then curving it down and joining it to the top of the watering can. Next, I'm adding some lines leaning in for the spout and a small oval for the nose. I'm also adding a small flower in the centre of the watering can. I'm just adjusting the handle as I wanted it to be more curved. Starting off with a large oval shape, and at the bottom I'm drawing a V shape. I'm curving the V shape so it has that shape that lemons have at the bottom. Then adding a stem at the top and adding some curved diamond shaped leaves around the stem. To finish the lemon off, I'm adding some line dots in the centre. In the centre, I'm drawing out a circle for the bud, and then a larger circle around that for the petals. I'm just adjusting the bud, then adding the petals in, and I'm adding some petals behind the main petals. Now I'm playing around with the positioning of the stem. Once I'm happy with the placement, I'm adding in some teardrop shaped leaves. So starting off with a large oval shape, and then adding another oval shape for the head. Then some more ovals for the wings. And then adding some lines for the yellow and black stripes. And then some arms and legs and the antenna. Summer always reminds me of strawberries, so that's our next illustration. Starting off with placing some oval shapes, and then at the bottom of the ovals I'm making this large V shape, then curving the lines out. Then I'm adding some leaves at the tops of the strawberries. This is a really simple shape. It's a diamond shape, but the lines are curved, and I'll add some small stems at the bottom of each leaf. I'm adding a line running down the centre of each leaf. Starting off with a line for the body, then adding some oval shapes for the wings. For the top of the body, I'm drawing a long oval shape and then drawing another long oval shape underneath. Now adding the antenna and going around the wings to get that beautiful shape butterfly wings have. I'm adding some more lines so I have a guide for when I go over them later. Drawing out a curved line for the stem and then adding on the leaves. Again with that same curved diamond shape for the leaves, and I'm also making the ends of the leaves more pointed. To finish off the leaves, I'm adding a line running through them. Now it's time to add the outlines. I'm using a Tombow brush pen and going over the illustrations. Once this is done, I'll rub out all the lines before working on the line shading. When you're going over your illustrations, you don't have to be perfect, and that's the fun with doodle illustrations. I'm using 04 and an 02 Pigma micron for this. I'm going to speed this part up as line shading can take a long time. If you want to learn more about line shading, check out my tutorial, The Basics of Line Shading. I take you through different techniques, and this can be so helpful when drawing illustrations or doodles. And here are the final end of summer illustrations. I really had fun with these illustrations. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching.